Rice is more than just a staple food, it's a lifeline for over half the world's population. Every grain represents a massive agricultural effort across thousands of farms. From lush paddy fields in Asia to mechanized farms in the US, rice farming is a blend of tradition and innovation. It's a fascinating world worth exploring. In this video, we'll take you inside the world's biggest rice harvest, where ancient techniques meet advanced machines in a spectacular display of farming evolution. Rice farming has been practiced for thousands of years. In many parts of Asia, it's still done the traditional way by hand, using water buffalo and simple tools. Farmers plant seedlings in waterlogged fields, maintaining precise spacing through experience and the use of their eyes. It's labor-intensive but highly effective in small plots. This ancient knowledge, passed through generations, remains crucial, especially in rural regions where machinery can't reach. Before planting begins, fields are carefully leveled using GPS-guided tractors to ensure even water coverage. Water control is vital for rice growth. Modern seed drills and mechanical transplanters are now used to plant rice efficiently across large fields, saving time and labor. Farmers also monitor soil health, pH, and water depth using digital sensors, ensuring conditions are just right for a high-yield crop. Drones are revolutionizing rice farming. They scout fields from above, detect pests, and assess plant health using thermal and multispectral cameras. With the data collected, farmers can apply fertilizers and pesticides precisely, reducing waste and boosting productivity. This integration of smart tech with rice cultivation marks a shift toward precision agriculture, a future-proof farming solution. Once planted, rice grows in shallow, flooded fields. The water suppresses weeds and helps regulate the plant's temperature. Over the weeks, rice plants shoot up in bright green rows, gradually changing to golden yellow as they mature. Farmers keep a close watch, ensuring proper drainage, applying fertilizers, and preparing for harvest once the grains ripen. In traditional villages, rice is still harvested with sickles and bundled by hand, a slow but respectful method of reaping nature's gift. But on industrial farms, massive combine harvesters roll through the fields. They cut, thresh, and collect rice in one smooth operation. The contrast between hand and machine harvesting showcases both the history and the future of agriculture side by side. Freshly harvested rice is still moist and must be dried quickly to prevent spoilage. Solar drying and heated air tunnels are both used today. Once dried, the rice is sent to high-tech mills where it's hulled, polished, and sorted using laser color sorters. This process turns raw paddy into the white or brown rice you see on store shelves, clean, consistent, and ready for cooking. Modern storage facilities with temperature and humidity control ensure rice stays fresh during long-term storage. Massive silos, conveyor belts, and automated bagging systems prepare rice for global export from Asia to Africa and America. Billions of people depend on these seamless supply chains, powered by both human expertise and advanced technology. Despite modernization, rice farming faces challenges. Water scarcity, climate change, and labor shortages are growing concerns. Researchers are now developing drought-resistant rice varieties and exploring methods to cut methane emissions from flooded paddies. The balance between sustainability and production is the next big goal for rice farming's future. The world's biggest rice harvest is a symbol of harmony where ancient knowledge and new technologies work side by side. From the humble hands of farmers to the mighty machines of modern agriculture, rice tells a story of resilience and adaptation. And as global demand rises, this fusion of past and future ensures rice remains the heart of human nourishment for generations to come.
Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon. Write your suggestions into comment box. Stay tuned for more amazing content.